Apple seeks to hire alternative payments manager with crypto experience. The Apple Wallet's payments and commerce team is seeking an experienced business development manager to lead the alternative payments partnership. So the TLDR, Apple needs somebody with some blockchain experience with some, and that's why they put the quote, alternative payments, because if they just put plain as day, crypto or blockchain in the job description, that could get the all type of theories going wild on Twitter. Now, this is sufficient enough, but what we got to keep in mind is that Apple is very invested, very committed with their Apple Wallet solution, right? To my understanding, it's at least 3 million people that use Apple Wallet. And so if Apple is looking to find somebody who can have this alternative payments experience, at a minimum, we should maybe take the cognitive leap that they are looking to integrate either purchases, let's just keep it there, maybe purchases, or the ability to use and transact with something like Bitcoin and Ethereum and stablecoin inside of Apple Wallet. Because if MasterCard is already in the CBD space, and remember they said they're going to be using the Ethereum blockchain, right? Very bullish for Ethereum. Then it would reason that Apple would want to integrate, at a minimum, stablecoin functionality. Because stablecoin stays stable, it can stay locked at $1. And if they do that, once they do that, it is going to be incredibly simple to then integrate Bitcoin, integrate Ethereum, integrate any cryptocurrency that they so choose. But they need to be in the position to do that, and them even putting this job listing, because who knows, they could have already hired this person for all we know, right? But this is just another signal that another company is moving into the space, a huge company, and let's take the leap a step further. If they're integrating this into Apple Wallet potentially, and it could be deeper integration, who knows? It might reason that if they are going to go that far, that they might also want to have some exposure to the underlying asset, because they're smart, they're wise. If they start with stablecoins, but then they add, let's just say, even Ethereum and Bitcoin, they know that immediately they have added another additional layer of legitimacy, and they have made it so that millions of people can now buy this asset from their phone, and they don't need to do anything else. Because what would make the most sense for Apple to do at that point would be to make it so that somebody could purchase those assets, those cryptocurrency digital assets, directly from their phone and not have to see the back end, not have to interact with Coinbase or Gemini or Kraken or any of these decentralized exchanges. And then that would effectively make Apple a cryptocurrency exchange and then get them into the financial market. And, Apple, they're about power moves. They're about ease of use, user experience. And, by them owning the underlying asset before they make that move happen, when that adoption takes place, if they got 10% of their 3 million users, 300,000 people to come in, they all put $1,000 in, you know what I'm saying? They all put amount of money in, it's likely to push the price of those underlying digital assets, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Matic, whatever it might be, up as well. So it would only make sense for Apple to want to ride that pump up. Not that they would dump it afterwards, but maybe they pull a Tesla, who knows, right? So just something to keep in mind. But getting back specifically to the article, it says that global software giant Apple is recruiting for a new business development manager specializing in alternative payments, signaling that the iPhone maker is gravitating toward digital assets. The new job post was posted at Apple's career website on Tuesday. The new hire will be responsible for leading alternative payment partnerships and defining new commercialization streams. Apple is seeking a business professional with more than 10 years of experience, including a 5-year track record with alternative payment providers such as digital wallets, BNPL, fast payments, cryptocurrency, and others. While the job posting is compelling, Apple remains largely on the sidelines of the cryptocurrency industry and has yet to signal definitive plans for expanding into this market. Interestingly, the cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase recently overtook TikTok as the most downloaded app on Apple's App Store. Speculation about Apple entering the digital currency space has been rampant in recent months as investors watched Tesla add billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin to its strategic reserves. Beyond just adding Bitcoin to its balance sheet, Apple could be in a position to permanently disrupt the nascent industry by entering the crypto exchange business, according to Paul Steves, An analyst with Royal Bank of Canada Dominion Securities. Quote, if Apple decides to enter into the crypto exchange business, we think the firm could immediately gain market share and disrupt the industry. The firm could unlock a multi-billion-dollar opportunity within a few clicks. With a market capitalization of $2.1 trillion, Apple remains the largest company traded in the United States. The company had $192.8 billion in cash on hand during its most recent earnings quarter, down from $207 billion during the previous quarter. Now, that change, that $207 billion down to $192, that could be a result of lower sales, of them spending money, making investments. But damn, what if it was down just because inflation ate away at it? That'd be crazy. But obviously, the inflation doesn't remove the dollars, it just lowers the purchasing power. But anyhow, Apple could very well get into the cryptocurrency exchange business, and then they can launch a damn electric vehicle right thereafter, just boom, boom. And I bet that'd be really good for their stock price.